Hey, boys and girls. Welcome to another day of learning at home. We're doing some math again today, and today we're going to do some calendar math. That's going to be good for all ages. Everybody's been doing a great job learning at home, really working hard, getting better, doing a lot of stuff with numbers. Today, we're going to show you how you can do a lot of things using the calendar here today. So right now, we are in the month of April. Okay, so we know that we're in the month of April, and you are watching this video on April 8th. Okay, so let's make a mark right there on April 8th. Okay, now one way to do this, 8. Okay, so counting on a timeline. So we know on a number line we can see that the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can show 8 on a number line that way. Okay, it jumps. We can make a 10 frame here. Okay, and we can do a lot of different math like this. So we have our 10 frame right here. Okay, today's April 8th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you could do a lot of different ways. You can show a lot of different equations right here. Let me make those dots a little bit darker so you can see them. Okay. Now, there's 8 filled in. Well, if a whole 10 frame is 10. So thinking about it this way, 8 and 2 more, that's not over there, is going to make 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Or you can think about it this way, 10 minus 2 equals 8. Well, how did I get that? I took my whole 10 frame, which is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 2 empty spots. How many are filled in? There's 8. Okay, so let me just adjust the camera right there again so I can show you. Okay, there's 10 full spots minus the 2 that are empty. You're going to have 8 filled spots. So the 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, minus the 2 empty ones, 1, 2, leaves you with 8 up there. You can show it with addition right here. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 8 plus 9, 10. Those 2 that are empty is going to equal 10. So there's a couple ways to show addition and subtraction based off that. Now, let's take another thing. Let's show you another way we can do it here with the number line. Okay, now today's April 8th, right? So there's our X right there. Well, how many days are left in April? Okay, so think about it this way. So we go count on for me. We go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Because we get all the way to 30. So you can use that way how many days are left in April. But another way to do that is take, okay, there's 30 days. You could do it like this. 30 days minus the 8 that we've already had, okay? So I'll show you this way here, okay? For some of you upper level math guys doing subtraction. Okay, 30 minus 8, I like to write it like that, okay? Now, you can't take 8 away from 0, okay? But I'm going to have to borrow here, okay? This is called borrowing. I'm going to cross this out. I'm going to make this a 10. I'm going to take a 10 away from here to make that a 2, which really means 2 10s and 10 1s, okay? Well, what's 2 10s? 2 10s equals 20. 10 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equals 10. 20 and 10 together make 30. That's how I got the 30 there. That's how I have 10 here and 2 there. Well, to take 8 away from 10, okay, so let's go back to my dots right here. I made 10 dots, so I want to take 8 away from there. Take those 5 away, and I take those 3 left. I'm left with 2, and then I just bring my 2 down. There's 22. There's another way to do some math off the calendar, okay? So you can think about it that way. Okay, so these are all different activities that you can do for kindergarten through 2nd grade. If you're a kindergartner, you should be counting the days, count to 8. How can I show 8 on the 10 frame? Okay, let me cross that out. How can I show 8 on the 10 frame? Okay, just like we did earlier. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how I show 8 in the 10 frame. I could also show with tally marks. Okay, I could also show the word 8. Okay, so these are all really good activities. just to know that today's the 8th month of the day. Okay, so that's another way to do it. So kindergarten ways to do that. But I like the use of the number line. Anybody can make a number line of 30, and then you can count those different ways. So I like to do it. I like to use the number line that way. So we already learned today that there's 22 days left in the month. There are 8 days left. Today is the 8th day of April. How many total days are there in April? 8 and 2 again, 0. 1 and 2, 30. Okay, so there's another way to show some math that way. So 22 left plus it's being the 8th day. That's another way to do it. Okay, you can count backwards this way to see how many days we've gone through. That's another one. Now, here's something I like that I think would be a good activity for all people. I'm going to do it at kindergarten level here first. Okay, so I'm going to make this like a little chart right here. You can make this at home too. Again, one thing that you guys can do is you can stop and pause the video just so you know where we're at. Okay. Now, what's today's number? We're going to say 8. Okay. 8's our number of the day. This way, we're going to go +1. Okay, because even on a number line, you think of this as going +1. This way, we're going to go -1 because when you go to the left, that means you're subtracting. So that's another way to look at it. Okay. Now, I'm going to add 5 on each side here. Okay. -5. I'm going to show you how you can do that with upper level people as we go, or like, older people, I should say, not just upper level, but older people can do it this way. So 8 and 1 more, well, there's 9. Okay. 8, 1 less, that's going to be 7. Now we're bumping it up because we like to think in terms of 5. 8 and 5. Well, how can I do that if I like to use tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well, let's think about that. 5 and 5 make what? 10, because we know that's doubles. Plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 13. Okay, there's our number there. Now this way we're going to going down, we're going to go down lesser number. We're going to go -5. Well, so let's say we start again with our tally marks. Okay, we have 8 as a tally mark. Well, that means get rid of 5. Okay, I'm going to get rid of 5 right there. Okay, that leaves me with 3. Okay, so that's an activity that you can do off the calendar that way. Here's another one. So I'm going to do this a different way now. Now, earlier we figured out that there's 22 days left in the month. Okay, so now I'm going to do it a different way here. Okay, but this time I'm going to go, all right, +1, -1. I like to start out that way. But now I'm going to go +10, -10. Okay, so we have 22 days left in our month. We can do it this way. What's 1 more than 22? 23. Okay, just another way of thinking counting. 22 -1, I'm going to go 21. Okay, so now you can see 21, 22, 23. Now, 10 more than 22. Okay, so now you can think of it like this. 22, you think 22 plus 10, that's one way to do it. You can think of it, if you want to do number lines, I'll do the tally marks again. 6, 7. There's my 22, and then 10 more. Okay, so if I do it this way, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, does it work this way? 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 32. Okay, that's a good activity right there. Now -10. So I go back to my tally marks. I'm going to subtract. Okay, I'll show you 2 different ways. 22 minus 10. Okay, so I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Now I'm going to get rid of 10. Okay, 5 and 5 make 10, so I can just erase those. How many am I left with? 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now let me try it with the standard algorithm right here. 22 minus 10. 2 minus 0, because is 2 greater than 0? If the greater number is on top, then we can do that. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. See how that works together? Okay, so that's another way to think of doing subtraction using the date right there. So, That's just another activity that you can do. You can plug in any number, plus 10, minus 10, okay? Minus 1, plus 1. It's always good to do minus 1, plus 1 this way, just because then you can see like a progression on that you would see like on a number line, 21, 22, 23. Earlier we saw 7, 8, 9. Those are different ways to think about it right there. Okay, but now I'm going to show you one more activity that we can do with calendar work. Okay, so we did a good job using our calendar straight. Now we're going to use a thermometer because we're going to talk about, the temperature and what it was like outside. So the high temperature today, I have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2. Now the high temperature today was 52. Okay, 52. Now this is going to be kind of a step for older people, but if you're younger and you want to give it a shot, go ahead and try it, because this is something that will be a really good skill to learn. So 52 is my high temperature for the day. The low temperature, okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, was 33. Okay, 33. Okay, and I can just trace it in there like so. Okay, so 52 was the high, 33 was low. What was a difference in temperature today? Now when I use the word difference, that is a word for subtraction. So the difference is an answer to a subtraction problem. That's also a good thing to know. Now, we've talked a lot this year about you have to have the greater number. To start, you have to have the greater number on top to be able to do subtraction. Well, I can't take 3 away from 2, right? Now this right now says, this is a place value thing, so this is something that everybody should know. This tells me 5 tens, okay, the 5's in the tens column, so 5 tens, 2 ones, okay? So I'm going to draw this out in terms of place value sticks, okay? 5 tens and 2 ones. Well, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, okay? Now, how can I change that so I can do my subtraction with 33 on the bottom? Okay, what's another way I can show 52 here or represent 52? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 10 from here and move it over there. Okay, so I'm going to take 10 here. I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 and the 2 that I already had was 12. Now I have 12 ones. Now I only have 4 ones here. Okay, I have 4 tens here, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 tens. 4 tens, 12 ones. That's really saying 40 and 12 more is still 52. So I'm going to make that, instead of taking that as a 2, I'm going to make that a 12. I'm going to get rid of this as a 5 and make that a 4. Okay, so let's see if we can do that. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, 12 minus 3 is 9. So I can have my 12 ones. I'm going to get rid of 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for you younger kids, if you ever want to do something for subtraction, the dots are a really good way to do it. So you can know that way. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. Well, let's see if that still works with the number line. So let's see if 52 minus 33 was 19. I'm going to do this. I'm going to keep 19 there so I know. Now I'm going to make a number line between 33 and 52. Okay, 33, 52. So you can always make a number line in different ways. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, now I'm starting here at 33. If I make 19 jumps, I'll know that I did my subtraction correct earlier, which was up here. See if I'm correct, see if we did it right. Okay, let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 jumps. So we can do it with the number line, we can do it the standard way. So boys and girls, there's a lot that you can do with calendar math. I hope you enjoyed what we did here today. I know it's a lot, but you guys are doing a great job learning home. Take a little piece of what we did, give it a chance. Don't do the whole thing because it's just like a ton of work, but do a little bit, try it out, try with the plus 10, minus 10. That's a really good that's a really good activity to do. And we'll go from there. So boys and girls, thanks for working so hard at home. Hope everybody's enjoying their time learning. Thanks a lot for watching.